In this video we're going to cover Google Drive. So let's have a look here. Moment. Now Google Drive is another type of drive that's quite useful. You can log into your phone, especially if you have an Android. Now the best way to open and search for Google Drive is just by Googling Google Drive. Now in order to use this service you'd need to make sure that you have a Gmail account. If you don't have one already, just click over here where it says sign in and there'll be an option there to create a new account. So let's start with searching, we'll search Google Drive, and that should be the first result up. Now it'll take you to a main page talking about what it is. If you click on Google Drive, you log into your account here. And my password's already preloaded. Now once you've logged in, it'll take you to your main folder. So in this one, this is showing my main folder. Now we'll start with how to search. Now how to navigate, over here on the left it shows you your different areas, so recent files, shared with you, your bin, and then all these parts here are your folders and these are your files. So what we'll start with is searching. So I've got a folder called Thailand Photos, so if I type in Thailand and I want to find these photos, it'll automatically give me the results here. It'll auto-generate the findings. The other thing I can do is I can just press enter and it'll search everything that has the word Thailand in it. So this is the folder that I wanted to find, and you can just double check and it'll show all your contents in your material here. So the next thing that we're going to do here is we're going to look at creating and saving files. So let's have a look back at the main drive. So if I want to go back to my main drive, I can either click here or I can click here. Now I'm back on my main drive. Let's create a new folder. You can do that by right clicking here or clicking here for new. So you can go new folder, document, sheets or slides, or I can even upload something that's already on my computer. So let's start with just creating a new folder. Let's call this one manage data. And then right here you'll see a folder called manage data. If I double click on that, it's a nice new empty folder. Let's say I want to create a new Word document. If I click on here, right click and click on Google Docs, you'll see up here it creates a new tab altogether. And the folder will start saving in here. Now the cool thing about this is as I type and put my material in here, it'll actually automatically save that information for you. So as you can see here, all changes saved in the drive. So when you're doing your assessment using Google Drive, this part will already be included. Now let's say I want to name the folder of this file. I can do that by clicking up here and naming it here. So let's name it Joey's file and enter. And if I close it, it's automatically saved. And you'll see here that it's already updated the name of my file. Now another way I can rename is by right clicking and going Joey's file 2 and then click OK. So it's back in there. So if I go to back to my main folder and I want to find it, I can go to manage data and you can find it here. Moving files. So another cool thing you can do is if I've got something on my computer that I've saved from online, you can drag it back onto here. And what you'll notice is that it comes back here. Now I can move this by right clicking and clicking on move to. Now I've already created a folder called 2781. So if I click on this arrow back here, this is showing the current folder. I can click on the back arrow and it takes me back to the main folder. So let's say this should go into 2781. So I'm going to double click on 2781 and click move here. Now let's go back to my drive and 2781 and you can see the file here. Now let's say out of all of this, so we've moved it, we've renamed it, we've named it, we've saved it and we've created it. Let's say we need to delete it. So one way you can delete it is by right clicking and clicking on remove. Now if say I accidentally deleted it and I need it to go back, I can click back onto my bin, right click and click on restore. And let's see if it's back in that area. There you go. And that's a little bit of a sample on how to use Google Drive.